Moving forward to the last question of our podcast is so when you are part of the national talent hunts at a national level, so what are the suggestions or what are the key motivators you want to give to the fellow students who are participating in national talent hunts at branch level or regional level or willing to participate in that?
Something that I'm doing even right now. जब भी ब्रांच में कोई NTS की न्यूज़ आती है, so I'm in so many groups right now कि कहीं ना कहीं से कोई ना कोई न्यूज़ आ ही जाएगी.
मेरी ब्रांच के कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो ये बात बोलते हैं कि भाई हम पार्ट ले लें, हम डरते हैं. तो जब तक तुम पार्ट ही नहीं लोगे तो तुम सीखोगे कैसे?
It's a emoji. So what emoji you refers to the national talent hunts?
You know that one hugging emoji of two people? वो
Yeah.
ऐसे वाला है.
देख लेंगे जिसके वो लड़ेगा क्यों खड़ा रहेगा.
उसके जो खड़ा होगा. ठीक है.
So, hello guys, welcome to the Being a Speaker podcast, and I'm your host Sunil Kumar Chahar, and alongside with me I have from the city of aspirants Ashish Swami,
Like the city of suicides.
and the second guest we have Khushi Lohoti from the Pink City,
That is such
the heart of Rajasthan,
That is such
the heart of the country. Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
the first question is that what one word comes to your mind when you talk about NTS in a single word?
Learn.
Learn. Okay, that's a good answer.
Addiction.
Addiction.
Once you
True,
get in,
that
there
is
is no
so
getting
true.
out. You always try to put your way.
Yes.
I'm more connected towards the word addiction because I'm also participated in more than 10 NTS. So moving forward to the next question is that suppose that you are given a chance to being in a TEDx talk, but the topic of the TEDx talk cannot be related to the chartered accountancy or accounting profession. So what will be your topic for the TEDx talk?
That's a very good question actually.
I mean, based on my entire research field that I have, it would eventually become something that's highly political and something that can end up very controversial because, yeah, that's what I like, controversies.
And while I would delve more on the topic of
Finance.
fun with finance.
Fun with finance. Finance is also related to the accounting field somewhat.
If we
Yeah.
remove the term finance, then
Yeah.
mine would definitely be fun, traveling.
Okay, traveling. Say Khushi likes traveling blog and Ashish is controversial Ashish. Yeah. So the third question is that if you define national talent hunts in a single thing but cannot be a word, it's an emoji. So what emoji you refers to the national talent hunts?
You know that one hugging emoji of two people? वो
Yeah.
ऐसे वाला है, वो वाला.
For the team bonding you.
अरे नहीं. For the amount of people and wonderful people you'll meet.
Yeah.
आ जाओ.
That's great. That's great.
If
If it is controversial
to the
बोलेगा.
mic, I want to speak close to the mic. It would be monkey.
तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम ही है इनके.
So you will get the behind the scenes for the monkey emoji. And moving forward to the next question. So it's a serious one. When you are got a chance to learn about what NTS is on the first time, and you are participating in that for the first time, what is your experience?
So it was like one morning I was sitting having my coffee. I get a call from my friend JM that
आशीष भाई NTS हो रहा है पिच डेक है आ जाइए.
and I didn't know what exactly is pitch deck and I don't watch TV, so I didn't even know what is Shark Tank back in the day. But he explained you just have to pitch a business idea. That was 1 year ago, and since then has been a great journey. That's the journey so far.
Yeah, for you, Khushi.
Mine would be a very funny story. मेरा first regional, it was a debate 2022 December. Funny story, debate और chess साथ में हो रहा था. My friend participated in chess and he forced upon me कि मैं आ रहा हूँ competition में, तू भी आ. मैंने बोला ठीक है. अब डिबेट और चेस हो रहा है, मेरी गलती ये थी मैंने अज्यूम कर लिया वो डिबेट में आ रहा होगा, तो मैंने डिबेट में रजिस्टर कर लिया और वो आ रहा था चेस में. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट रीजनल आई वन. और
Obviously, national winner Safa.
So that's a nice journey of your first NTS. So what is the one thing you like about NTS? Only one thing.
Go ahead.
I used to be very introverted, somebody who couldn't speak out when she was within 5 people, 10 people.
Okay.
And right now I'm very comfortable. Okay, I may not be able to speak in front of 10,000 people, but when it comes to 1,000 people, मैं अपना stand ले सकती हूँ. Confidence.
Okay.
I
And
mean,
yeah.
just like that, public speaking would be something. Back in my school days, I knew the great English, but I couldn't speak much about it. Extempores were the last thing I was talking about. OC was something that opened up with the thought of public speaking. Okay, that's how you should present yourself, that's how you should start. NTS is the place where I put that into action.
Okay. So the good things comes up with a bad thing also. So please tell me one bad thing you don't like about NTS.
Delayed reimbursements would be.
ये मेरा आंसर था. He stole it.
Guys, पैसा तो important है.
यार समझो यार, हम ठीक है, स्टाइपेंड आता है.
इंटरेस्ट अलग नहीं मिलता पैसे.
So same answers are not allowed.
Okay, so I have to think of one more bad thing.
Yeah.
Getting started in stuff.
Hey, shut up. क्या है ना, once you go to 1 or 2 NTSs, ऐसा होता है that there will be some people who will be coming to you. ठीक है, मैं भी हूँ, ठीक, मैं मना नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं भी हूँ. But then it forms like एक group बन जाता है, एक leash बन जाता है. And then it is very hard to break in an existing clique. ये कोई existing group होगा ना, उसमें घुस पाना is next to impossible.
Yeah.
तो there are 2 options. या तो तुम अकेले साइड में सुन रही की तरह बैठ जाओ, भाई की बात ठीक है बैठे हैं, और या फिर सेकंड यू मेक योर ओन ग्रुप. अपना ग्रुप बनाने में 2-3 NTSs आराम से निकलेंगे. That's one thing that when I first joined NTS मेरे को खटा था कि भाई इतने सारे existing ग्रुप से इनमें ब्रेक इन कैसे करें.
हाँ. So basically, the bad things are also in the list, but when we think about NTS, we have deadly combinations like essay, and we are having pitch deck, we are having dashboard visualization. So if you are given a choice to add one NTS competition and eliminate one, so what will be your choice?
Okay. Elimination would definitely be, and okay, this may be a very strong opinion, but sketching. Quite honestly, I did not see the point in that one. मेरे को नहीं जमा. And adding one would be, I think, pitch deck जैसा कुछ, something that would promote creativity and innovation. वैसा कुछ अगर हम और कुछ add on कर सकते हैं, extempore हो गया, elocution हो गया, these are something that make you public well. Innovation wise सिर्फ अभी हमारे में pitch deck है. If we could work on that aspect of it, I think we could make something very good out of our students.
Yeah.
To add to it, I agree with the sketching part, because even in the last one there were a few sketches that were more like posters. So sketching and poster, there's that Venn diagram and it overlaps. So the judgment is somewhat not relevant, I would say. And to add something, it should be that gives you the grassroots experience. So if you are making a business idea, there should be maybe an upgraded version of pitch deck. Okay, if you make this business idea, at least have it in an actual crowd. Let's have actual data for it.
But something that exists on the grassroots.
Okay. Moving forward, when we have a situation, so you are BOS chairman for one day, and you have to make an announcement, but you feel that was a dream, and you woke up, and after that you realize that I would choose one thing, and please complete the sentence. What will you choose? What the announcement you will make as a BOS chairman if you were into their shoes?
I'll make it compulsory for every student who has passed inter or at inter or final level to have at least one NTS. It's gonna be economically backning for us. It's gonna hamper us on a short while, but really the exposure we get with that competitiveness, it really puts us forward. हाँ, we can do this कि एक बार में 10 के slots हो गए, like GMCS के batches होते हैं, advanced ICT के होते हैं. Slot wise आपने NTS करवाए, and each and every NTS will have a proper winner, and that will really mark us more.
Okay.
Mine would be कि पता है NTS में one of the biggest issues is not being competitive या फिर जाना. नहीं. I know so many people जो participate करते हैं, but they don't go to the next level जीतने के बाद भी, is because आर्टिकलशिप कर रहे हैं और ऑफिस से छुट्टी नहीं मिलेगी. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक अ प्रोविजन दैट वुड एलिमिनेट दिस कंसर्न कि भाई छुट्टी नहीं मिलती है, इनको छुट्टी दो. इफ यू पार्टिसिपेट ऑन अ ब्रांच लेवल, और एक तो प्लीज ब्रांच लेवल के कॉम्पिटिशन संडे को करो प्लीज. एनटीएस शुड बी हेल्ड ऑन संडेज. एंड उसको मतलब छुट्टी का जहाँ कंसर्न आ रहा है ना, ऐसा करो कि भाई छुट्टी मिले उन बच्चों को टू गो फॉरवर्ड. बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट हैपेंस कि भाई छुट्टी नहीं मिल रहा है तो हम आगे नहीं जा सकते. एंड देन ऑन एनी केस आप आर्टिकलशिप के टाइम पे ऑफिस के अगेंस्ट नहीं जाओगे, तो देन यू ड्रॉप दिस. दैट वाज समथिंग आई विल वर्क ऑन.
Okay, so moving forward to the hypothetical situation. So having a superpower with you is also add on into your skill set. So if you have one superpower with you, be it from any fantasy movie or world would exist here. So what will be your one superpower?
Does it have to be a superpower or can it be a gadget?
Gadget also?
Superpower is a part of the gadget now.
I was asking him.
So gadget has one superpower.
Right.
It's like that.
हाँ हाँ वो चलेगा मेरे को.
Yeah.
Do you want to say?
Okay, acceptable for me. So superpower or a gadget, no? ठीक है, acceptable. Go ahead, answer it.
I was saying, do you want to say yours? Never mind.
Okay.
Doraemon. Anywhere door.
Okay, Doraemon's anywhere door you want.
Yes. I could participate in as many entities. मेरे को छुट्टी का प्रॉब्लम लेना नहीं. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है छुट्टी का. So
Okay.
yes.
Think I want to go with Iron Man. Because the technology we have can improve on that. And पैसा भाई सबके reimbursement हम काट देंगे.
Billionaire, philanthropist,
Yes.
and a genius.
Genius, billionaire, playboy, philanthropist.
Oh my god. So many big words, none for you.
Come on, yaar, I'm a philanthropist.
Especially I'm wearing Iron Man.
Yes, I know
Yeah.
exactly. मैं खुद Marvel fan.
Yeah. So moving forward, so if I get a chance to get a superpower, so my superpower will be the time turner from the Harry Potter series. I will be there on every specific time to a different situation.
ऐसे तो आप हर इंडिया जीत जाओगे.
Yeah. So just take a superpower. जैसे कि हिंदी में मैंने एक पोएम लिखी थी, तो उसका फ्रेज था, अगर मांगते हो तो शहर मांगो. कि अगर आपको कुछ मांगना ही है, आप ड्रीम ही कर रहे हो, तो पूरा ही मांग लो ना, छोड़ना क्या.
बड़ा मांगो ना, छोटा नहीं.
Yeah.
सोच रहा तो बड़ा सोचा.
सोच तो अपनी है ना.
सोच तो बड़ी रखो.
So moving forward next, so when you are participating in the nationals, so what are the problems you faced as a student, as a part of a central council or central level competition in the regional levels? So what are the key differentiators in the national level from the regional level?
Good and bad? Both?
Yeah, both.
You wanna go first? The good part was that okay, I was in the big leagues. Now everybody that you see, for me, one thing is for sure, कि winners are. ब्रांच पे आओ, रीजनल पे आओ, नेशनल्स पे आओ, द फैक्ट दैट यू शोड अप मेक्स यू अ विनर. मार्किंग में आपके मार्क्स कुछ थोड़े ज्यादा हैं तो आपको सेलेक्ट कर ले रहे हो. बट द मोमेंट यू आर इन द नेशनल्स, यू आर इन द बिग लीग्स. सारे धुरंधर होते हैं, अपने अंदर फील्ड के चैंपियंस होते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू कंसिडर इट वेरी केयरफुल. That's also a plus point क्योंकि then you learn with the best of the best of the best when you compete with them. On the negative side of things, I had a little plus minus experience on my Mumbai Nationals. The place was fine, the food was fine, the committee and management was fine. Traveling was an issue. They were not allowing us to travel anywhere else. I mean, half the reason we're in NTS की vacation मिल जाती है बॉस, और वही नहीं मिल पा रही थी. That was a problem, but the rest of it is good.
Mine was okay. CIRC का जो रीजनल लेवल कॉम्पिटिशन होता है ना, वैसे घूमने घूमने आ जाता है, अच्छे से होता है एकदम. नेशनल्स वाज, मेरा नेशनल्स जो था वो कोलकाता में था. जयपुर से 24 आवर ट्रेन, 6 घंटे जो लेट हुई. 30 घंटे की ट्रेन आनी, 30 घंटे की ट्रेन जानी, 60 आवर्स आई वाज इन ट्रेन. ठीक है, तो ट्रैवलिंग वाज अ हैसल. अब आके मेरे को बोलेंगे कि भाई यू कुड हैव गॉन बाय अ फ्लाइट, बट यू सी मैं तो स्टूडेंट हूँ.
Reimbursements.
रोकड़ा. ठीक है. And then the thing was, the good part of it was again the big leaps. मैं nationals से सी, मैं small size firm से articleship करती हूँ, तो मेरा exposure जितना भी हो एक level पे आके उसकी threshold आ जाती है. वहाँ पे हर एक जना big four से था. Aside from me and one more, 18 out of 20 participants were from big four. तो द लेवल ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशंस यू हैव दीज विद दीज पीपल कि भाई हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, हम ये कर रहे हैं, एंड यू रियलाइज यार ये तो पता भी नहीं था, ये होता भी ऐसी है। मैं वो मेरे लिए, अब मैं पहली बार में तो नेशनल्स गई नहीं थी, पहले 2 हारे, फिर तीसरे में आगे गए। तो मेरा जर्नी कॉन्स्टेंट लर्निंग रहा है। आई लाइक टू लर्न, ऐसे बैठना ठाला बैठना मेरे को जमता भी नहीं है। तो नेशनल्स वाज अ वेरी लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे लिए सफल हो गया। मैं जीतती ना जीतती मेरे लिए एक ही बात होता, जीत गए तो ठीक है बट एक ही बात होता।
Very nice. Moving forward to the last question of our podcast is, so when you are part of the national talent hunts at a national level, so what are the suggestions or what are the motivators, key motivators you want to give to the fellow students who are participating in national talent hunts at branch level or regional level or willing to participate in that?
मैं
Go ahead.
समथिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग इवन राइट नाउ, जब भी ब्रांच में कोई एनटीएस की न्यूज़ आती है, सो आई एम इन सो मेनी ग्रुप्स राइट नाउ कि कहीं ना कहीं से कोई ना कोई न्यूज़ आ ही जाएगी, तो उसको सबसे पहले इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल दो। क्या है, इवन इफ आई एम पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन दैट, जब कंपटीशन आता है ना तो इट इम्प्रूव्स योर लेवल, डजंट मैटर वेदर यू आर गोना विन और नॉट, लेवल इंप्रूवमेंट मोर देन इनफ।
लेवल सबसे
सेकंड जो
देख लेंगे जिसके वो लड़ेगा जो खड़ा रहेगा,
उसके जो खड़ा होगा ठीक है। एंड सेकंड इज फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर विलिंग, जो करना चाहते हैं, पार्ट लेके देखो, अपने आप सीख जाओगे। सिखाने वाले बहुत कुछ बोलते हैं, तुम जब तक नहीं सीखोगे, जब तक तुम खड़े होके खुद कुछ नहीं बोलोगे। स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्राउड 2 बार अकड़ोगे, 3 बार रोना आएगा और चौथी बार सही बोलोगे। फॉर दोज हु आर स्टम्बलिंग कि भाई हम खड़े नहीं हो पाए, हमें नहीं पता वेदर वी वांट और वेदर वी कैन, जो हेजिटेट करते हैं स्टैंड ले लो, हो जाओ, क्योंकि इफ यू डोंट स्टैंड अप फॉर योरसेल्फ नोबडी इज गोइंग टू स्टैंड अप फॉर यू। तो देखो दैट इज एनटीएस जो है ना, दैट इज एन इनिशिएटिव जो कि इतना बढ़िया किया है आईसीआई ने। मैं जब भी कुछ करती हूँ मैं आईसीआई को देती हूँ थैंक्स, कि भाई एनटीएस एक ऐसी चीज है जो आईसीआई ने मेरे को दी है, विच हैज इम्प्रूव्ड माई सेल्फ एज अ पर्सन, एज अ स्टूडेंट एंड एज अ लर्नर, regardless of what will be the result, at least participate. That is the best thing that you'll ever feel. And as he said in the starting of the podcast, no, it is addictive. तुम एक बार घुस गए और स्टेज पे तुम्हें वो पार्टिसिपेशन सर्टिफिकेट भी मिल गया
You
ना,
thrive for that. You need.
हो गया, फिर वो अटेंशन चाहिए एंड यू विल गो इन अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन।
Just like that, कई सारे जो भी ब्रांचेस होती है मैनेज करवाती हैं, more than half the CAs agree with the fact technical knowledge अपनी buffed up है. It's the presentation we have to work on, and that's what NTS is for. And मेरी ब्रांच के कई सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो ये बात बोलते हैं कि भाई हम पार्ट ले लें, but हम डरते हैं। तो जब तक तुम पार्ट ही नहीं लोगे तो तुम सीखोगे कैसे? Somewhere along the way मैं भी कभी फंबल करता था, कहीं ना कहीं I also had speaking hesitations. Even today हर एक के पास जो भी अच्छा बोलता है उन सब का दिल धड़कता है, पैर कांपते हैं। You get in that moment, you have your flow और आ जाता है। But once again जैसा खुशी ने कहा that you will have to take part, you will have to take a stand for yourself. 2 बार करोगे, 4 बार हरकोगे, right?
प्रो टिप, अगर तुम्हारे पैर कांप रहे हो गर्ल्स के लिए, wear wide leg pants, उसमें दिखता नहीं है।
I mean there's another
पैर कांपते भी दिखते हैं।
unsolicited
I used to
advice.
wear wide leg pants always. उसमें पैर
There's
कांपते भी
another
दिखते हैं।
unsolicited advice
Shut up.
that if you're nervous, imagine everyone to be naked and automatically you're
That
nervous.
is not
It does not, yeah.
That is not
Really,
going to be
there's video standing in front of 100, 200 people. Just imagine they're sitting clothless and all, and you'll feel confident, sachi.
Why do you want everybody to be naked? You're stupid.
Because you'll be narcissistic and confident enough.
That is only if you're confident about yourself. और किसी की खुद के लगे insecurity होता
So that's what positive
बस लग
attitude
गए,
is for.
बेवकूफ है, तुझे advice दे रहा है।
That's Ashish being Ashish.
That's Swami being Swami.
Yeah.
I can't say his nickname right now.
Extreme advices. Extreme.
हाँ,
I mean,
कुछ भी,
if it works,
कुछ
it's
भी।
not stupid. That's what
Everyone
it
is naked. I'm imagining this
Hold on,
scene.
you imagined everybody naked when you stood on that side.
Yeah. There are females also.
That's how I was able to say my speaking back. Okay, that hardly matters whoever is looking at me. Also, another thing, you can just look at their foreheads and they'll think you're making eye contact.
Competition कल है. Now we'll see इसकी आंखें कहाँ ज्यादा रुक रही है.
Can't be.
इसकी आंखों के सामने तो नहीं आना है.
बोल रहा हूँ स्टेज पे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आना है.
इसकी कितना गंदा इमेजिनेशन है
ये
वो हमें नहीं
गंदा।
पता. So guys, thank you for being a wonderful guest in my podcast. Till then, guys, be a speaker and do the speaking up. And thank you. Till then, watch, like, and subscribe our channel.
Salute.
Thank you.